Hi, welcome back. Well, there's a bit happened since we last talked. We managed to piece the engine completely back together. We came in on Saturday and ran it up in the test tank, and Tom's pretty happy. He's got to go back to school now, so the guys putting a bit of pressure on me to get out of the workshop. So I wanted to complete the engine and dress it up, and when we talk about coming in next Saturday morning to work on it again, hopefully it'll all be ready for them and maybe even surprise them. Since we last talked, we had the gearbox on the engine, we had the power head on, but then we needed to put the electrical system and the fuel system on the engine, the rewind starter, and we pieced that together, and the engine goes good. It started first pull pretty well. Because we had the carburetor to pieces, a little bit of fine tuning on the carburetor, but no, the engine starts straight away, runs up, it's doing everything it should. So we put a full carburetor overhaul kit in the carburetor. Obviously the thermostat, the cooling system, the water pipes from the water pump to the power head have got new grommets. That's a bit of an issue with these engines. The grommets close up over time and make the engines run hot. So we've pretty well done everything that's likely to give problems down the line. So hopefully it's going to be a big surprise for Tom on Saturday morning. So at this stage we've done all the mechanical work. We just want to make the engine look pretty. So we've given a bit of a sand up. The paintwork was pretty chipped and battered. So we've sanded it up. We've put a coat of primer on it. We're going to let that primer go off, and then I'll give it a rub back, and we'll put a final coat on it. Then I can start putting the water pickup screens, the anodes back on it, and clean up the motor covers and see if we can make it look a pretty thing.